Hey, what's up, boys? So we're gonna be installing these on the E30. I'm not sure if I'm just gonna do a normal E30 install video or a 2-minute Tuesday, depending how it goes. But I'm just gonna show you how to install these. Like I said, these are from Pedalhaus, as you've seen from the video title. Of course, they make these for other BMWs and other makes, but we're gonna be installing these on my '89 325i since we got the 5-speed installed like last year or a year and a half ago. I just been riding around with the stock pedals with no like covers on them, so they look really ghetto. But we got these for the E30. I wanted to do these little dots gold to kind of tie in with the car, but I think we're just gonna stick with them just like they are, and we're just gonna install these. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. So I'm gonna show you everything that comes with them when you buy them. Of course, you got your gas pedal, you got your brake, your clutch, and then your dead pedal, which attaches with 3M tape, as you can see on the back. And then this is the template it comes with. It has different holes for different models, but obviously the E30 uses these holes where they're circled. So you basically put this on top of your pedal, drill out 2 holes because it comes with these screws right here. You'll drill out 2 holes, and those get a nut and a bolt. I'm going to show you the tools that we need for this, and then we can get to the install. Alright, this is just the tools that you're going to use. Of course, you can use the drill for both parts, but I just have a drill and a drill driver with a Phillips head bit on it for the self-tapping screws. Then we have I believe this is a 5/32. Yes, we got a 5/32 bit that we're going to drill the holes out for these screws to go through. And then you'll obviously have the washer on the other side, and then you have these nuts that have the nylon little locking part inside of it. So like I said, you're just going to use the template, go ahead and line it up on the pedal, and then you can either use a marker or you can just use the drill and hold it on there. I'm probably just going to clamp this on there on the pedal itself if I can, and then go ahead and drill the 2 holes, and then that's where those are going to be. And then, like I said, you're going to set the pedal on it and then put your 2 in, and then the next ones are just self-tappers, like I said, so pretty easy. So let's get the camera set up inside the car and then do a little time lapse of the install. Alright, so they look pretty good, but I think I will do one thing different, is I'll take off the clutch and the brake pedal and paint the stock pedals behind it black so you don't see anything coming through it, and I think that'll enhance the look a lot better, honestly. So yeah, this is what it looks like with the kick panel that I got in. It's all wrapped in suede. I still have to replace that, but that's not part of this video. But pretty easy install. Like I said, the 4 screws for the dead pedal or the gas pedal, and then the 2 screws on each. Just want to do a little quick install video on these since I didn't see any on YouTube, and I'll leave a link down below to their site if you guys want to pick up a set for yourself. And they look pretty decent for what they are, and obviously they give you a lot better grip compared to obviously running the stock with no kind of thing on it. So my feet were pretty much slipping off, so they should give some good grip when shifting and everything like that. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Be sure to check me out on Instagram, and peace.